a desire of a father.
Once upon a time, in a quaint little village nestled between rolling hills and lush forests, there lived a man named Thomas. Thomas was a hardworking farmer known for his kindness and generosity towards his neighbors. Despite the daily toils of tending to his crops and livestock, his heart was always filled with love for his family. Thomas had a son named David, a bright young boy with a curious mind and a heart as pure as the crystal-clear streams that ran through the village. David was the apple of his father's eye, and Thomas cherished every moment spent with his beloved son. As the years passed, David grew into a fine young man, full of ambition and dreams of his own. He expressed his desire to travel the world and seek adventure beyond the borders of their small village. While Thomas was proud of his son's aspirations, a deep longing tugged at his heart. One night, as father and son sat by the crackling fireplace, the warmth of the fire casting a soft glow upon their faces, Thomas spoke softly, "My dear David, I have a desire that weighs heavily on my heart. It is not for riches or fame that I yearn, but for something far greater." David looked at his father with curiosity and love in his eyes, urging him to share his deepest longing. With a heavy sigh, Thomas continued, "I desire to see you happy and fulfilled, to witness the light in your eyes as you chase your dreams. But my heart aches at the thought of parting from you, my son, my pride and joy." Tears welled up in Thomas's eyes, reflecting the flickering flames of the fire. David reached out and took his father's weathered hands in his own, a silent promise of love and understanding passing between them.
"Father," David said softly, "your desire is my desire. Your happiness means more to me than any adventure the world may offer. Let us embark on this journey together, side by side, father and son, sharing in each other's joys and sorrows."
And so, Thomas and David set out on a new chapter of their lives, their bond stronger than ever. They traveled far and wide, exploring distant lands and experiencing the wonders of the world. Through it all, their love and devotion to each other never wavered, a testament to the unbreakable bond between a father and his son. In the end, Thomas's desire was fulfilled not by worldly treasures or grand adventures, but by the simple yet profound joy of sharing his son's happiness and being by his side every step of the way. And as they returned to their village, hand in hand, their hearts were full, knowing that their love would light the way through any challenges that lay ahead. And so, the story of Thomas and David, the father and son whose love knew no bounds, became a legend whispered among the villagers for generations to come, a timeless tale of a father's desire fulfilled by the purest form of love.